You're small. You hit the gym 6-7 days a week, chase the pump, burn yourself out, but still look the same. I've been there. The truth is, it's not about spending more time in the gym. It's about doing the right things. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly why keeping it simple builds way more muscle. Stick around, because of what I'm about to tell you could have saved me years of wasted time in the gym. So most skinny guys think the reason they're not growing is because they're not doing enough. So they hit the gym 6-7 days a week, do endless sets, supersets, drop sets, chasing that pump, chasing fatigue. But here's the thing, that's exactly why they're not growing. More volume doesn't mean more muscle. Pumps feel good, but they don't actually equal progress. If you're lifting just to feel tired, that's not training, that's exercise. And there's a big difference. Training means going in with a purpose. You know exactly what you're trying to improve each session, not just working hard and hoping for the best. And that's where most guys fall off. Because let's be real, how many guys actually know if they're improving? They go to the gym, do the same weights, the same reps, and the same effort week after week. No logbook, no tracking, just exercising. And if that's you, you're basically guessing your way through your workouts. And guess what? Guessing does not build muscle. The number one rule to escape being small is progressive overload, lifting a little more over time. That might mean adding an extra rep, slightly more weight, or just doing the same set with better control. If you're not tracking your progress, you'll never even know if you're improving. And that's why you stay stuck, looking the same year after year. So start writing your lifts down. Every time you walk into the gym, you should know what weight you hit last time and what number you're trying to beat today. Progressive overload. And of course, here's the part that nobody wants to hear. You don't grow in the gym. You grow after the gym, when you recover. When you train too often or with way too much volume, your body never gets the chance to rebuild the muscle you're breaking down. That's why so many guys are constantly sore, tired, and stuck. They're essentially working harder, but not smarter. If you're a natural, your recovery is limited. You can't train like the enhanced guys who live in a gym 7 days a week and expect the same results. So what should you do? Well, cut your training down. Train less often with less volume, but make every set count. Push hard, push close to failure, and then rest. That's not being lazy, that's training smart. Let me give you an example. You'll see guys doing 4 sets of bench presses for 12 reps each. Sounds hardcore, right? But in reality, it's just junk volume. You're building more fatigue than muscle. Instead, do 2 heavy sets of 6 to 8 reps, perhaps 10, but actually push those sets close to failure. You'll stimulate way more growth with way less fatigue. It's higher intensity, smarter execution, and leaves your body enough room to recover and come back stronger next time. So when you strip away all the fluff, all the hacks, the fancy exercises, what actually works? It's this: train smart, recover hard, repeat. Here's the formula if you're a natural lifter. I would recommend training around 3 to 5 days a week. Focus on getting stronger in your main compound lifts. Things like bench, squats, rows, and shoulder presses. Those are what actually build your frame. And track everything you do. Always strive to progressively overload. Sleep and recover like it's a part of your training plan. And finally, you must eat enough to actually grow. And if you're not sure how to lean bulk the right way, check out this video right here where I break down everything you need to know. And that's it. No magic, no secret split, no hidden supplement. Just consistent progression over and over again. It works and it's sustainable, and it actually fits a normal life because you do not need to live in the gym to actually build an aesthetic physique. If you can stay patient, stay consistent, and stop changing programs every 2 weeks, you'll make more progress in 6 months than most guys make in 6 years. So stop overcomplicating this. You don't need more volume, more days, or some magic program. You just need to train smart, recover, and actually give your body the time to grow. And if this video helped clear things up, make sure to hit the like and subscribe so you don't miss out on no bullshit content on how to actually build an aesthetic physique. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.